Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, now we see the binomial distribution problem, which is specially based on the formula that probability x equal to r success that given by NCR into p raise r into q raise n minus r. As compared to previous problem, here the difficulty of question level is very high. Now let's see how I am going to solve it in quite simply way. Question: suppose that 80% of all families own a television set. If 10 families are interviewed at random, then find the probability that number 1, 7 families own a television set, and number 2, at most 3 families own a television set. Now let's see the solution. Here the solution is quite simple. First of all, we denote x as a number of families who own a television set. Then probability family own a television set is equal to P is equal to 80%. Therefore, P is equal to 80 upon 100. Therefore, P equal to, here we go for cancellation that 20 4s are 80 and 20 5s are 100. It means here we get P equal to 4 upon 5. Now since P plus Q is equal to 1 and therefore Q equal to 1 minus P. Therefore Q equal to 1 minus 4 upon 5. On cross multiplying, we get 5 minus 4 upon 5, that is 1 upon 5. So in this way, we get the value of Q. Now, we need number of trials. So in question, they mention that 10 families are interviewed at random. It means number of trial that n is equal to 10. Now we go for the question 1. Probability that, now in question 1 we have to find 7 families own a television set. So that equal to probability x equal to 7. Now since the probability mass function of random variable x is given by probability x is equal to r is equal to NCR into P raise R into Q raise n minus R, comma, R takes value here 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Since 10 families are interviewed at random. Is equal to, for n we substitute 10, for p we substitute 4 upon 5, and q we replace 1 upon 5. So the next step will be 10 cr into 4 upon 5 whole bracket raise r into 1 upon 5 whole bracket raise 10 minus r, comma, r takes value 0, 1, 2 up to 10. Now in this formula we put r equal to 7, so we get probability x equal to 7, and therefore probability x equal to 7 is equal to 10c7 4 upon 5 whole bracket raise 7 and 1 upon 5 raise 10 minus 7 is equal to, now 10c7 can be written as 10c 10 minus 7, that gives 3, into 4 upon 5 raise 7 into 1 upon 5 raise 10 minus 7, so that gives 3. On simplifying further, that 10c3 can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 in the numerator upon 3 into 2 into 1 in the denominator, into we have 4 upon 5 raised 7, so that gives us 4 raised 7 upon 5 raised 7, into we have 1 upon 5 cube, so that gives 1 raised cube, it means 1 upon 5 cube. So here we go for cancellation, that 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9, 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. Now 5 into 3, that gives 15, into 8, that is 120, into 4 raised 7 upon 5 raised 7 plus 3, so that gives 10. Now this part we can solve by using log table. So that equal to log of 120 plus 7 times log of 4 and minus 10 times log of 5. So that equal to now first of all here we have to find log of 120. It means first we have to write the characteristics. Since here we have 3 numbers, so characteristics is 2, then we write decimal point, and then from log table we have to see 12 under 0. So 12 under 0 gives 0792 plus 7 into. Now here we have to find log 4. So since here only one number, so characteristics is 0 point. Now we have to see 40 under 0, so that gives 6021. Then minus 10 into. Now here we have to find log 5. So characteristics is 0 point. We have to see in log table that 50 under 0, so that gives 6990. So is equal to 2.0792 plus. Here we have to go for multiplication. That's 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, carry 1, 700, so carry 1 we write as it is, and 7 6 are 42. Then we have to put decimal after 4 digit. It means 4.2147. Then minus. Then 0.6990 we have to multiply with 10. So on multiplying with 10 we get 69900, and we have to put decimal after 4 digit. It means 6.9900 is equal to. Now adding the first two terms we get 2 plus 7, that is 9, 9 plus 4, 13, carry 1, 7 plus 1, 8, carry 1, that is 9, then 0 plus 2, we get 2, then point, then 2 plus 4, we get 6. It means we get 6.2939. Then minus 6.9900 we write as it is. So the next step will be, here we write that number 6.2939 minus 6.9900. On subtracting, we get 9 minus 0, that is 9, 3 minus 0, 3, 9 minus 9, 0, 12 minus 9, 3, point, then 6 minus 7, that is minus 1, it means bar 1. So that equal to anti-log bar 1.3039, that equal to. Now we have to use anti-log table. Now here we have to see 13 under 3 and mean difference 9. 30 under 3 gives 2009 and mean difference 9, so that gives 4. So 2009 plus 4, so we get 2013. Now here we have to put decimal, but before decimal here we have bar 1, so it means our answer is 0.2017, and therefore probability that x is equal to 7 is equal to 0.2013. Now we see the second part of a question. The second part is, at most 3 families own a television set. So that equal to probability x. Now at most 3 means x less than equal to 3, and that equal to probability x equal to 0 plus probability x equal to 1 plus probability x equal to 2 plus probability x equal to 3. Now these values we have to substitute. Now these values we have to substitute in probability mass function. First of all, we go for the calculation that probability x equal to 0. So that equal to, we write 10c0, then 4 upon 5 raise 0 into 1 upon 5 raise 10 minus 0, then plus. Now we find probability x equal to 1. So that is 10c1 into 4 upon 5 raise 1 into 1 upon 5 raise 10 minus 1 plus. Now we find probability x equal to 2. That is 10c2 into 4 upon 5 raise 2 into 1 upon 5 raise 10 minus 2. And finally, plus we find probability x equal to 3. That 10c3 into 4 upon 5 raise 3 into 1 upon 5 raise 10 minus 3. So is equal to, now 10c0 gives us 1, 4 upon 5 raise 0, that also gives 1, and 1 upon 5 whole bracket raise 10 plus. Now 10c1, so that gives 10 into 4 upon 5 raise 1, it means we get 4 upon 5 into 1 upon 5 raise 10 minus 1 means 9 plus. Now 10c2 gives 10 into 9 upon 2 into 1 into 4 bracket square upon 5 bracket square into 1 upon 5 whole bracket raise 10 minus 2 gives 8. Then plus 10c3. So that we write 10 into 9 into 8 upon 3 into 2 into 1 into 4 upon 5 cube gives 4 cube upon 5 cube into 1 upon 5 raise 10 minus 3, that is 7. So on simplifying further, we get 1 upon 5 raise 10 plus 10 into 4 into 1 raise 9 gives 1 upon. Here we have 5 raise 9 into 5 raise 1. So that gives totally 5 raise 10 plus. Now here we go for cancellation, that 2 ones are 2 and 2 5s are 10. Now 5 into 9, so that gives 45 into 4 square, that again gives 16 upon 5 raise 8 into 5 raise 2, so that gives 5 raise 10 plus. Here 3 ones are and 3 threes are 9, 2 ones are and 2 fives are 10. Now 5 into 3 15, 15 into 8 120 into 4 cube, that gives 64 upon 5 cube into 5 raised 7, so we get totally 5 raised 10. Now from this we take 5 raised 10 from denominator as a common. So we have 1 upon 5 raised 10 in bracket 1 plus. Now 10 into 4, 40, 40 into 1, so that gives 40 plus. Now 45 into 16, that's 16 multiplied by 5, we get 80, so we write 0, carry 8. And 16 fours are 64 plus 8, so that gives 72. So total answer is 720 plus. We write here first of all 0 as it is, then 12 fours are 48, so carry 4, and 12 6 are 72 plus 4, so we get 76. So 120 into 64 gives us 7680. So that equal to, we write 5 raise 10 in the denominator, and in numerator on adding we get 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, it means 1. Then 8 plus 2 10 plus 4, that is 14, carry 1, and then 6 plus 7 13 plus 1 14, carry 1, and then 7 plus 1 8. So we have the number 8441 divided by 5 raised 10. Now this, we done the calculation by using log table, and this calculation we have to done by using log table. So that is log of 8441 minus 10 times log of 5. So that equal to, now here we have totally 4 digit number. So the characteristics is 3 point. Now in logarithm we have to see here 84 under 4 and mean difference 1. That 84 4 gives 9263 and mean difference 1, so that gives 1. So total 9264 minus 10 into. Now here we have only one digit number, so the characteristics should be 0 point. Now for 5 we see 50 under 0, so that gives 6990. So log 5 gives us 0.6990. So that equal to 3.9264 minus. Now 6990 multiplied by 10. So we get 69900. And then we have to put decimal after 4 digits. So the required answer is 6.9900. Now we go for the subtraction. That 3.9264 minus 6.9900. Now 4 minus 0 gives 4, 6 minus 0, 6, 12 minus 9, 3, 19 minus 10, 9 point, and 3 minus 7. So that gives us minus 4 means bar 4. So that is anti-log bar 4.9364. Now from anti-log table we have to see 93 under 6 mean difference 4. So 93 under 6 gives 8630 and the mean difference 4, so that gives 8. It means 8630 plus 8, that is 8638. Now before decimal we have here bar 4. It means we have to write 40, that is 0.000 and then our number 8638. So in this way probability x less than equal to 3 is equal to 0.0008638. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.